wrong, haven't you? Okay, now imagine when you tie your dogs out in the sun and I've heard of incidents of cruel, evil, disgusting people tying their dogs out in the sun, not giving them proper food, not giving them proper water. It's 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 disgusting. Human beings, y'all can walk out anytime y'all want when you get tired. Dogs, any animal can't do that. They have to suffer through the atrocities that we human beings, give them. And the reason why I'm so honored to be a part of this initiative that Mitibai College has taken is we, the future of India, the future, you guys, the future, must lend your voice to these animals who are unable to speak and express what they feel. When we have pets, they give us so much, like, Sukhwinder ji was saying, they give us so much, they are stress busters, they give us unconditional love. Any animal, when you look into their eyes, all you see is love. There's no complaint, there's no why did you, there's no blame, there's nothing, there's only love. And the least they expect from us is to love them back. And if we can't do that to them, we shouldn't call ourselves human beings. We really. So we should always remember that animals, be it our pets or strays, or they're not our commodities, they're not machines. They are living creatures. God has given us them to, we share this planet with them. There's a reason why they are here. We cannot ill-treat them, mistreat them. The prevention act, what is that act? I don't remember. It was made in 1960, for crying out loud. I mean, come on, so much has changed after that. I'm sorry, I just get so damn angry when I see people, mistreating animals. I mean, how do you call yourselves human beings when you mistreat animals? And it's a humble request, to everybody. If you see animals being mistreated anywhere, when you see in your local meat shop, when chickens are stuffed into cages, it's inhuman. It's disgraceful. When you see these horses being, when they pull the carts and when they're made to work in the sun, they can't walk on concrete roads. They slip. There was this one time, I would like to share this with you. So I was in my car, I was on the highway, and on the main Western Express highway, and the car was driving obviously, and there was a horse, a man on a horse who was riding a horse. The horse was galloping on the highway, on concrete roads. Imagine the pain he must be going through. I couldn't stop crying. I felt so helpless that I couldn't do anything. But now I know better. Now I know that I can call animal activists or organizations and tell them, complain that aisa yahan ho raha hai. And I request you guys, our future, to do the same. If you see any animal being mistreated, please launch a complaint. And agar police, get a lawyer, be proactive. Do not say, अच्छा हम कल करेंगे, उसको बोल देंगे, इसको बोल देंगे. हाँ बोलिए आप, पुलिस को बोलिए, lawyers को बोलिए, but be present. Be present when you take these actions. Be responsible, because animals need us. We need them, not just our pets, but our strays. I'm not a big, I've not really done anything for animals as much कि मैं यहाँ कर बोलूँ कि आप भी ये करो, वो भी कर लो. But this is a start. When these guys called me to be a part of this, just a few days back, I'm sorry I'm taking so much time, but I just want to say so much, because I know that this is very, very important to me. So just a few days back, I was sitting, I have a pet, I have a lab. He's the most adorable dog ever. So I was sitting with him and I was just, we were playing, and I was thinking that, he's so lucky to have me, I'm so lucky to have me, but there are so many animals out there who have no one to nobody cares about them. They eat or don't eat, or we want our pets to be in air conditioned and eat good food and be healthy and be good looking, but who looks after them? And just few days after, I got a message from Embrace to be a part of this initiative, and I knew that this is my calling. This is what I want to do. I want to be motivated and inspired by you guys to do good. And if today I inspire even one person to do something good for animals, my mission is accomplished. I am not going to stop to help animals, and I don't want you guys to stop. Is that clear? Thank you very much. Thank you so much for having me here. It's an absolute honor. Thank you, sir. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. So there is this one incident that happened. I would like to share it with you guys. It says create a law/protocol to punish assault on humans helping animals. Day before yesterday, a married man physically assaulted a 20-year-old girl, Sejal. There is a video footage which you can see later. I haven't seen it yet, but I just want to share this. The society members looked on. The wife of this man is with the Indian Revenue Service. Until court proceedings complete, they are deemed innocent. I just got it. This happened in Pune? Okay. 20-year-old Sejal Saraf and her mother were looking after two orphan pups. The pups defecate on the building stairs. The pups cry loudly, disturbing their peace. Sejal and her mom prevented the PMC municipal van from picking up the puppies since they were 2 months old. No one is allowed to pick up pups under 6 months as per the Animal Welfare Board of India. So the lawyer that they hired said this is a severe offence. More police custody was needed. Only then would it prove a deterrent to people like him. So we need to be, the point of sharing this is we need to be aware of these incidents. We need to do something about these incidents because the animals will not be able to do anything. It's our responsibility, guys. Please take this seriously. And this is just the start. Let's just, Mahatma Gandhi once said, the greatness of a nation is judged by the way it treats its animals. And we as a country, we worship nature, we praise nature. Animals are part of, we are nature. We must take care of them. So please look into this, be serious about this, be proactive, and make this the greatest nation ever. Thank you.